Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
58-degree air temperature, dew point coming in the 40s. Oh, does it feel good outside. Cool, crisp, and with that dry air in place. With a little bit of daytime heating, our temperatures will respond accordingly and rise up into the low 80s, but still with low humidity. So it's going to be an exquisite day. Starry skies out there, giving way to dawn, giving way to plenty of wall-to-wall sunshine. Northeast wind coming in at about 6 right now. We are looking at a fine day in store. 57 degrees Arcadia, Wauchula, Myakka, 59 in Northport Parish, and 57 in Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch at 58, so Sarasota, 61 in Venice, Inglewood, and Longboat Key coming in at 63. Absolutely rain-free skies for us today. Maybe a shower or two down in the southern tip of the state. Florida Keys may see a few showers. Marathon may get a little bit of rainfall. Miami may get some. Maybe as far north as Lauderdale. But when you get up to Lauderdale, the rain chances start to diminish pretty quickly because of the air being so dry across most of the state. Northeast wind continues today. Will be light enough, though. We'll catch a little bit of a sea breeze, but even with that, I think radar currently will look, the current radar will look exactly like you'll see at 5 o'clock tonight, which is pretty much rain-free. And that'll be the case for the next couple of days, I think. A little bit of cloudiness to the north of us, but that cloudiness is really just caused by a little upper-level feature that's rapidly moving away, and so I think there'll be mostly sunny skies throughout the deep south today. If you look at the forecast for the next 12 hours, it looks great, right? 9 a.m., 65 degrees, sunny skies as you head into lunchtime. Beautiful if you want to get out and about, walk around the city just a little bit. Should be nice. 3 p.m. temperature, 81 degrees. Be beautiful out there with low relative humidity, despite the fact that temperatures are in the 80s. It'll feel fantastic. In fact, a lot of people think that temperature in the 80s feels fantastic no matter what. 78 degrees by 7 p.m. Beautiful sunset in store for you with a big ridge of high pressure located just to our north and back to the west. The sunset should be filled with colors again tonight. Temperatures are cooler back to the west. In fact, much cooler. We've got some temperatures near freezing in the northern tier, plus temperatures in the 40s for a great portion of the Intermountain West. As we go through time, that cooler air will be sinking southward and moving eastward because of a cold front approaching us. That cold front will cause a high pressure ridge to move out into the Atlantic, shift our winds to the east, and draw in moisture from the Atlantic to the sun coast as we head into, well, you'll notice it tomorrow, but particularly on Saturday, I think you'll notice the humidity has risen significantly from where we are today. Then, with that humidity in place, with daytime heating, we'll watch that frontal boundary help to lift the air, cause showers and thunderstorms on Saturday, and there is the potential risk for some severe weather at this time. Little too early to assess just what that risk is. There's still a couple days out, but suffice it to say that the northern Gulf waters, areas around Louisiana to Tallahassee on Saturday, stand a significant risk of seeing severe weather as that frontal boundary moves through. So we'll see if that carries on to Florida as we head into Sunday. But Sunday will be a first alert weather day. Behind that cold front, cooler air, next work week, we're going to start it off with temperatures about 12 degrees below the average and low relative humidity. Nice boating weather today. Northeast wind coming in at about 5 to 10 knots throughout the day. Should be beautiful. 82 our daytime high today. 85 tomorrow. Will warm again on Saturday with more humidity and a few more clouds. Sunday's our first alert weather day because of the potential for some stronger storms, especially in the second half of the day. Then we clear out pretty quickly as that front moves through and brings in that drier, cooler air. 68 degrees for a daytime high on Monday with full sunshine. Another spectacular April day. Tuesday as well. And even on Wednesday, temperatures in the 80s will still feature pretty low humidity.